Hi, I'm Joy, a virtual IA travel assistant and the interim marketing manager of a new and exciting online travel business Enjoy.co.uk. As you can see here, we currently sell a range of flights and hotels, city breaks, and packaged holidays from leading operators EasyJet, Jet2, and TUI. Using the site is simple. We live in East Cheshire, so able to choose between 4 airports which are within 1 hour of us. So we've got Birmingham here and also East Midlands. So we've selected 4 and we're interested in going to any of these destinations you can see in the list. In this example, we'll do a search for Portugal. Okay. So we're looking to go on a summer family holiday next year, so we can make our selection in the drop-down menu. Let's choose August 2025. We'll select the whole month of August to give us the widest choice. The duration is currently 7 nights, but we want to go for 14, and passenger-wise, there are 2 adults and we've got 2 children and their ages are 8 and 9 years of age. Again, use the drop-down menu to make your choice. There we go. Very easy. To filter all the available holidays to our choices, we simply click the search button. Now we're interrogating all the databases, and at the moment it's showing all of these listed by lowest price. And we can see here all the holidays available in Portugal, 633 in total, but with the filters applied it's just 160 holidays. Okay, so we're going to have a look at the highest price first. This is the price per person. Now you can have a very quick view of the actual holiday destination, the hotel pictures, and you can scroll down. This is the Algarve. This one's in Madeira, which is an island not on mainland Portugal but off the coast. Algarve Lagos Albufeira, very popular. Well, this looks like an ideal holiday destination. It looks very modern and clean with lovely dining areas. Okay, let's view the deal. So by clicking on View the Deal now, these are the prices. Okay, and it's pre-selected the lowest price. But if we change the day that we want to go on, if say, we want to go on the 12th, notice the price here, it's more expensive. So the price goes up, but let's assume that's okay. We're flying from Liverpool to Faro on EasyJet. Let's select our holiday. It's now checking all the flights and the room options that are available, and everything's come back okay. And here's the detail for the actual flight itself. Fly out on Tuesday the 5th, back on the 19th. So you can see that the booking system is very simple to use. Here's what we've selected, or we can change to another option below. We can select this date. Flight is at 18:35 and it arrives at 21:30. Okay, so there's an additional cost here and an additional cost here. I'm happy with my selection of 1 room, 2 adults as it's a twin room all-inclusive. Okay, total price, and here's a reference code. If I need any assistance, I can call up one of the Enjoy travel agents and speak to an experienced travel advisor to clarify any questions or to make payment over the phone. Let's continue now. It's looking for extras. I don't need transfers, as we normally hire a car from a company that we're familiar with, so we'll have no transfer on this occasion. And now we'll just proceed with a booking. Input our name, details, etc. And that's it. Very simple. We can now sit back, relax and enjoy our holiday knowing that it's ATOL protected.